Blue skies and the cherry trees have bloomed. The nasturtiums and the marigolds are doing well in their new hanging basket. This is where they will stay and where they will grow all summer long. Gourds. And more gourds. Artichoke. Zucchini and acorn squash. Peas are popping up. Beans are popping up. More cucumbers are popping up. More marigolds are popping up. Eggplant. Beautiful apple tree in bloom. All the orange tiger lilies by the driveway are doing well. Check out the cherry tree in bloom. Magnolia tree is almost done blooming, and then she'll get her pretty leaves. Columbine looks amazing, growing strong. There's already rhubarb ready to be picked. Just amazing. Coneflower from last year came back. So excited to see it, since mine are not doing all that great in the sunroom. Mint. Sage. I gave the chives a haircut today and put some in the freezer. Lemon balm. Do you see all the asparagus? Yay! Asparagus. Can you hear all the birds? What a beautiful Sunday. Butterfly bushes are starting to bloom their leaves. Yay! Mow the lawn out back. Starting to look like summer. A turtle came up from the pond. Must be looking for a place to lay some eggs. You might need the leaf blower again. Backing it up. Backing it up. Oh yeah. Getting a little warm. Men and their toys.